So in this video, we are going to be talking about assignment operators. What are assignment operators? They are simply the operators that we use to assign a value to a variable. And so some of you might be a little bit confused right now, but we'll clear this up in just a moment. Now, these are the examples of the operators that we use in PHP. The first one is the equal to, the second one is addition and equal to, the third one is subtract and equal to, the fourth one multiply and equal to, the fifth one is divide and equal to, the sixth one is concatenate and equal to, and the last one is modulus and equal to. Alright, so how do these operators work? Let's go back to our code. You'll notice from this code that this code is named assignment operators. Alright now, so you have seen various assignment operations that we have performed here. Now I'm going to explain each one bit by bit. This is the most basic assignment operator, equal to. So what have we done here? We have assigned the value 10 to the variable a. So if we ask to echo a, we're expecting to get the value of 10. This is simply equal to assigning the value 10 to the variable a. So our a now holds the value 10. Okay, so at this point, you notice that this becomes addition equals to. What does that mean? Remember, our a is now holding 10. So we are saying perform an arithmetic operation, do 10 plus 15, which is 25. And once you have done that, assign that value back to this variable. So we are it's going to be such that a would switch from 10 to 25 at this point. Why? Because we added and we assigned the value at the same time to the variable a. So what is our value for a now? You guessed right. In fact, we already said it. It's 25. Alright, so a is now 25. And now we are saying, okay, take that value 25, subtract 15 from that value. So we have 25 minus 15, which should be 10, I guess. So which means that our a now holds the value 10 from here, because after it performs this subtraction, it then assigns that value to a. So at this point, a is going to print out 10. So our a is now 10. Now let's come here. So this is 10 times 5. 10 times 5 is 50. So what this simply does is it does this multiplication and then assigns 50 to a. So at this point, our a becomes 50. Alright, so 50 comes down here now and says 50 divided by 10. What is 50 divided by 10? 5. Alright, so we take that 5 and then we assign it back to the variable a. So at this point, our a is now 5. Now at this point, a performs the next assignment operation, which is this dot here. It simply means concatenate. So we are going to concatenate the value 15 to 5 at this point, then assign that value back to a. So what we're having here is 5 join with 15 becomes 515. Now assign that value back to a. So that becomes what? 515. Now that our a now carries 515, we now perform the modulus. So we are saying 515 modulus 10, then assign that value back to a. Remember, the modulus gives us the remainder of a division. So we're having 515 divided by 10, which should be 51. And if we should check what the remainder of that will be, that should be 5. So we're expecting A to be assigned the value of 5 at this point. Alright, now that we have done all this explanation, some of us might be tired and say, let's see the result. Alright, you know what to do. Go to your browser, type localhost / the name of your PHP file, which in this case is assignment, typographical error, assignment. It's already here for me, operators.php. You hit enter and you see our results. For this first one, where the value is just assigned to 10, the variable is assigned to 10, you can see that it echoed out 10. Here we say 10 plus equals 15, which gives us 25. Our A is now 25, and here we say 25 minus equals 15. Our A becomes 10. And here we say 10 times equals 5, and our value becomes 50. And here we say 50 divide equals 10, our value becomes 5. Here we say 5 concatenate equals 15, we get 515. And here we say 515 modulo 10 gives us 5 as the remainder of that division. So assignment operator does not get any simpler. So like I said in the previous tutorial, the more you practice it, the better you get at it. So please ensure you practice this assignment operators as we move over to the next operator in PHP.